guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I created this look and I want to be something classic, fancy. So if you're interested in how I create this look, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Let's get started. Okay, let me start with foundation. I'm gonna using Fenty Beauty number 200. It's really matte, so I'm mixing with Milani number 1 foundation. I will be using Loreal Concealer today just to roll all the high point of my face and give that highlighted areas. For contour, I will be using a Girl Almond color almond. I'm gonna apply it into my cheek and chin area because I want to make it smaller. So you guys apply it whatever you want to erase, whatever you want to make it smaller, you can apply that areas. I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills color taupe using Anastasia Beverly Hills brush 7B. I'm just gonna drawing some missing hair of my eyebrow, make a little bit better shape because I had so weird shape of eyebrow, you know. Just gonna set my under eyes using translucent powder Laura Mercier. It's gonna be different from a eyeshadow falling. Okay, let's move on to eyes. I'm gonna using rose gold palette from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna take this sandalwood eyeshadow. This is gonna be my transition shade. I apply this for my crease areas. I'm gonna take this brown shade called Cocoa. I'm gonna take this shade and apply it to my eyelid area. I will be adding this brown shade from Urban Decay palette just to give intensity, like layering on top of the cocoa we applied earlier. Then I'm gonna take in the smaller brush and pick up some sandalwood and cocoa together, mix it together, then apply it to bottom lash line areas and blended that area close to my lash lines. I'm just gonna bring the eyeliner a little bit thicker today, and yeah, that's pretty much like do as usual. I applied contour earlier, but I want to apply another contour, which is this is like powder one, and just add more, you know, nothing wrong to add. I'm doing as usual thing, like make a glow highlighter from Wet n Wild, just apply high point of my face, just give you that glow, yes, that glow. And I'm gonna picking up my diamond dust from Stila, and I really love this. It's gonna just give you that diamond effect on your inner corner of my eyes. Okay, now lips. Let's put some lips. I'm gonna putting Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette. I pick up the red color today. Just apply. Okay, I completed all the looks, so here's the last look. Hope you guys enjoy. See you next time.